Panthers versus Team Kingpin. First five in the center court. Ten seconds. We've got a three on the jumper. He scored for 2 points. Nice pass on inside.
Yes! Ay! Ay! Dapat pala kandit, Panyer mo nun! Yes! Ito ba?
Now 31. First team foul for Kingpin. Number 70, Glenka. Nice move, man. Seconds to shoot.
Yes!
This is number 10. Traveling violation. Bulacan. Foul number 11.
Yan.
Two
This is my
shots.
phone.
Cuenca. Bulacan number 11. That's number 14. 9 violation. Five minutes and 30 seconds remaining nine. This is the first quarter. We got Cuenca. Let's pass the big back number 29. Scores 2 points into the basket. Nice pass, then Bulacan, number 3, scores for 2 points into the basket. Official score 9-4. Black Panthers. Nice pass, number 1. 10 seconds in the shot clock. Kumaragasa sa ilalim. Number 10. Get a foul. Foul number 23. Second team foul for Kingpin, number 23. First personal foul. No good for just number 10 on the free throw line. Aaron Howie. 3 minutes and 34 seconds. First quarter, Kingpin. Number 14, no good. Paso Cuenca. Nice move by Cuenca. For 10 and move back. Bulacan starting the play for team Kingpin. 8 seconds in the shot clock. Okay, they will attack like Catena. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Ente. Yes, sir. Ente. Score for 2 points in the basket. Valentino, oh good. Two shots for number 11. We're gonna foul number 11.
Yes!
Official score 18-6 in favor of Team Black Panthers. We're gonna foul number 29 with 2 shots.
Yes! Ow!
Nice move by number 23. He scored for 2 points into the basket. MJ. 10 seconds remaining time. 3-minute time. Mulana. Foul number.
Coach, galang. Pili kayo isa. Black ball tayo. Coach, pili kayo isa. Coach, pili kayo isa. Number 1 daw, number 1. Masok. Yan na, maglalaro na yung mga tama.
Salas. Foul number 17. Baruga, number 17. First personal foul for Baruga. First team foul for Team Kingpin. Salas, balik kay Orino. For 3 points. Thirteen to shoot. Nice shot by Baruga. Salas on the three-point attempt, no good. One, kinabing one Salas. Good putting it. And the drive, he's more, no good. Jump ball. Foul number 13, Rocky Brown. Foul number 13, Salas. First personal foul. First team foul. We got Salas. Delegado number 26 on the three-point attempt. Over for Delegado. Nice shot for 2 points. To the basket number 20. Foul number 17. Baruga. Second personal foul for number 17. Second team foul. We got number 45. 5 seconds on the shot clock. Garagasa. Tapik. Delegado. Number 6. Scoring it. Nice pass. We got Delegado. Number 6. So 2 points into the basket. Six minutes and 41 seconds. Starting second quarter. 15 seconds on shot clock. Nice pass. Baseline number 45. They got to shoot for 2 points into the basket. Foul number, jersey number 45. Number 45, first personal foul. Second team foul for Black Panthers. Ten seconds on the shot clock. Voila. Another dummy. Nice drive by number 20. The basket. And Baruga. Bata Baruga, Baruga. Nice move. Pumasok, Baruga, no good. Nag-put back, wala pa rin. Nice pass to Aligado. Aligado on the drive. Yes, sir. Aligado.
Isa pa! Yun!
Three seconds violation. Nice pass to Salas. Salas also two points. Nice pass to the inside. Foul number 36.
Yan!
Aligado for 36. First personal foul for Aligado. Third team foul for Black Panthers. Ten seconds. Nice shot by jersey number 1. From Denver. Number number 3, post number 1. Nice drive. 2 points to the basket. For number. Give up at number 5. Nice pass to the inside, Delegado. Traveling violation by number 26. Fifteen seconds in the shot clock. Pass to Salas. One minute and 47 seconds. Official score 16-43 in favor of Team Black Panthers in the second quarter. Cordero. Father and son pass to Murphy. 19. Number 42 in Andres. No good. The long pass to Salas. Salas on the drive. He scores for 2 points into the basket. We're gonna time out for Team Black Panther. That's the Salas. The bad pass by Salas. Remaining time, 1 minute and 9 seconds. Sa ating second quarter. Ni Barunga. Pass number 3. And then finish check. Last 59.6 seconds. 40 seconds on the shot clock. Short. Number 20. Yes, sir. 2 points into the basket. Pass number 74. Nice pass by Conteno. 74. 2 points into the basket. Foul number 26, holding foul.
Boss, sabo kayo? Ilan kayo? Jump kayo.
Third personal foul for Delegado. Third
Ilan
personal
kayo?
foul.
14. Bili kayo isa. O, gano'n, wala kang gano'n. Same 5 daw, same 5, pasok. Bili kayo isa, boss. Bili kayo doon, sa kabila.
Plus 10.
Last 10 tayo, last 10.
Plus 10 for Black Panther.
Ay, wag!
Seconds on the shot clock. Better shot. Meron na 3. That's the Delegado on the drive. The finisher. Delegado. Number 1 on the rebound. Good shot. Nice pass. 8-4. Nice pass, Eric.
Hindi pa kasi tinira eh.
You're gonna foul. 8-4. Marami. 8-4. You're gonna foul. First person to foul for 8-4. First team foul for Black Panthers. Foul number 7. Second personal foul for person number 7, Delegado. Abad ni Cordero. Covers the ball. Traveling jersey number 1, Cordero. Remaining time 61-18. Remaining time, official score 61-18 in favor of Black Panther. Five seconds to shoot. Nice shot by number 74. 2 points into the basket. Fifteen seconds on the shot clock. Legado. No good from the 3-point attempt by the finisher. We got Baruga. Baruga on the move. Third. Traveling violation by Baruga. Nice pass. 8-4. Scores 2 points into the basket. 8-4. Ragasa. 4-3 points. Jersey number 19. Ragasa. We got Baruga. Defensive foul. Offensive foul number 17. Baruga. Third personal foul for Baruga. Legado. Finisher. Meron na dress sa malayo. Short for number 38. The put back, number 84. He scored for 2 points into the basket. Number 8-2. 6 minutes and 5 seconds remaining time. The third quarter. Get the dead and over to the 3-point attempt. Nice move by Legado. Okay. From 8-4. 15 seconds on the shot clock. No good for Montero. Mahoney 8-4. Maslow. Legado ng finisher. Ragasa sa ilalim. Bad pass. Mahoney. Ragasa. Lumabas. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Ragasa on the move. Nice move by Ragasa. 5 minutes and 2 seconds remaining time sa ating third quarter. Montero. Meron ng tres. No good for Montero. Remaining time 4 minutes and 49 seconds. With the score 71 displayed. Remaining time 4 minutes and 17 seconds. Cuenca, Jay Cuenca. Nasa ang Delegado. Some short for number 38, Billy. 15 seconds. Over for 8-4. Number 17. Number 74. He scored for 2 8 seconds on the shot clock. Ragazza, down short. Yes, nice shot by Baruga, 17. Finisher, Ligado. Nice move by Ligado. Cuenca. It's time to Pili. Ligado. Open for 3. No good. Nice pass. 2 minutes, remaining time. Baruga, no good. 8-4 on the rebound. Pinasa kay Pili. Pili. Napasobra. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Wala pa rin. Manny Baruga on the rebound. 1 minute and 36 seconds remaining time left in the third quarter. Bandano, no good in the 3-point attempt. Baruga, sinapek na 8-4. Woodland, versus number 20. Cuenca. For 3 points, Bandano. Last 25 seconds. Remaining time the third quarter. Cuenca. Nice shot by Cuenca. Last 10 seconds. Again, 5 seconds. 3. Yes, sir. Cuenca. Official score 83-30 in favor of Black Panthers.
Pasok na, pasok.
Last 5 at the center court.
Pasok na. Dapat din.
Last 5. Black Panther at the center court. Back into the ball game sa ating fourth quarter. We got foul. 29. We got foul. Second personal foul for number 9. First team foul. Second personal foul for number 9. 15 seconds. Volley, no good. 25. Eligado. Foul number 29. Number 29. We got third personal foul for number 29. Second team foul for Black Panthers. Fifteen seconds on the shot clock. Got short for number 23. Pinasa kay Eligado. The finish. Nice move, Dinamic. Ball goes to team Black Panthers. Pass to Eligado. Eligado. Back to Salas. 5 seconds on the shot clock. Not good for the 3-minute set. Back to 14 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. Lumabas. Nice shot. For 2 points. Versus number 29. The finisher. Eligado, just number 7. 2 points in the basket. Foul number 13, substitution. Foul number 13. Salas for 3%. The big back is 4 for 2 points to the basket. For Black Panthers, good serve. Pinasa kay Salas. Salas, Romano Casas, the drive. Yes sir, up and away for Salas. Nice shot by number 23, NJ. Seven minutes remaining time, Johnny Ford shot. Number 29. You got a foul, number 14. Number 14. First personal foul, number 14. 3 team fouls for Kingpin. First team foul for Kingpin in the fourth quarter.
Yan. Yan.
15 seconds to shoot. Ugat Bulangan. Pinasa kay Monteno. 8 seconds. Nice move by number 14. Where's the number 14?
Ayan.
15 seconds to shoot. We got Eligado. Nice pass. Pinalik sa gitna. Traveling tayo.
How many minutes?
Substitution. We got Santos in for Black Panthers. 13 seconds on the shot clock. 13 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. Wide open, MJ for 3-point. No good for MJ. Number 13, a long pass. Ball in. And Uganda, number 26. Uganda, the 3-point attempt. No good for Uganda. Number 14, Uganda. Foul number 10. First personal foul for Marlon Maui. Warning for penalty. Black Panthers. Nice pass. 15 seconds to shoot. Two shots. We got a foul. Foul number 17. Black Panthers. Santos. First personal foul. Kind of penalty situation. We got penalty situation. Basket count. Remaining time 4 minutes and 35 seconds. Sa ating last quarter, official score 35-51. Ang game, Black Panthers. Ito sa game na to. Seconds to shoot. Nice pass to the inside. Santos on the fadeaway. No good. Nice shot by jersey number 10. To the basket by Malawi. Remaining time 3 minutes and 55 seconds. We got Bulana on the 3-point attempt. Nothing but net for 3 points. Bulana. Back into the ball game. 3 minutes and 49 seconds remaining time. Shout out to this style. Robate. Kasama na natin to this there. Just watching right now live via Facebook. Shout out. This style Robate. For 3 points. Jersey number 38, Billy. Nice shot by number 14. Back to back. No good. Nilabas. Ball down. 2 minutes. Shot seconds to shoot. Billy, 3-point attempt. 3 points. Billy. Jersey number 1 fires for 3 points, no good. Last 37 seconds. No good. Barakasan number 23, NJ, no good. Jersey number 14, 2 points into the basket. Last 10 seconds. Number 17. Congratulations, Armina